Hello and welcome. This is David Strom. If you're looking for a better way to handle multi-factor authentication, you should look more closely at what Authentify offers with its xFA platform. Multi-factor authentication is catching on. As an example, look at this website that is a great resource for cataloging many of the various web services that are using it. Using two-factor authentication is generally better than not using it, but you need to choose your technology carefully. Earlier this year, Trend Micro researchers discovered this phishing attack they call Emmenthal after the Swiss cheese that can get around many two-factor security methods. The sophisticated man-in-the-middle attack targeted a typical banking two-factor authentication method that captures the one-time text SMS password which is sent to a user's phone, along with sending a rogue SSL certificate to the user's PC. There are one-time passwords that are used by many banks, such as this one from the Bank of America when you add a new payee to your account. Authentify xFA is the newest platform from Authentify, and it offers functionality that streamlines still stronger multi-factor authentication. Digital certificates, biometrics, and gestures can all be done without typing. What are some typical use cases for xFA? Here you see 5 of them, all involving higher security levels to protect against Emmenthal and other man-in-the-middle exploits by confirming your personal details or notification about specific circumstances. So just how does it work? First, you need to download the xFA app from either iTunes or the Google Play app stores. Then set up your secure credentials, what Authentify calls, naturally enough, authentifiers. These connect an end user to a particular account. You have several choices, including using a simple password, a touch-based pattern, a voice print, or fingerprint, as you can see in the screen on the iPhone. Next, you add the xFA service to your website, which is itself a web service. We will use one of Authentify's sample websites called XYZ Finance to demonstrate things. When you first come to the site, you're asked how you wish to authenticate yourself, as you see on the right-hand side. We choose Login with xFA and presented with this screen that shows the QR code. We bring up the xFA app on our iPhone and use the camera to capture the code, which then authenticates us to the account via a digital certificate and logs us in. This could also be accomplished with a button tap on the app instead of the QR code. We can then make use of the account to transfer funds or whatever. You can see at the bottom of the screen a note that shows you the various options that are part of the xFA process. We can use any of the authentication methods, including voice, passcode, or pattern recognition, to secure this particular transaction. What makes xFA a better multi-factor tool? Several reasons. First, for the developer, one API can handle all the authentication factors, including voice, pattern, fingerprint, and a background feature called Smart Choice, which identifies what user's device has available. Also, xFA, unlike some other tools, has no per-transaction fees. And thirdly, xFA is embedded in the application itself, thanks to a simple software development kit. This means that an enterprise app can easily be equipped to handle public key encryption and digital certificates so as to eliminate man-in-the-middle threats. Authentify's xFA creates a secure communications channel on a specific device between a specific user and your enterprise. If you want to better secure communications, you should download the white papers and SDK here. Thanks for watching. This is David Strom. You can check out my other screencast at webinformant.tv, book me for a speaking engagement, and read my other articles and sign up for my email list at these links here.